The whole concept of egg tempera and oil is one that very few people know about. If you've been painting with egg tempera at all, then it's likely you've heard of it. But for most people, it's an idea and a practice that feels esoteric, shrouded in mystery, and obfuscated by time. So can you really paint with egg tempera over oil? Doesn't it just beat up on the surface? Won't it simply pull away, look splotchy, and delaminate with time? Not if you know how to do it, and that requires knowledge, and knowledge comes from experience. It's known that some of the old masters dating back to the advent of oils used one form or another of the combination of egg tempera and oil, but it's not exactly clear how each artist did it. Even more rare is the idea that some of them might have used egg tempera, and here I'm not talking about tempera grassa, but pure egg tempera over already existing layers of oil paint. So the answer is yes. It is possible. As unlikely and counterintuitive as it seems, we've been able to make it work with the simplest materials that every artist already has available in their studio. No special mediums or nostrums are required. In fact, every painting you've seen on this screen was done using the same process that we have now made available in an online tutorial that covers every step on how to paint with egg tempera over oil. Candice and I are so happy to be able to share what we've learned about actually executing this technique time and time again with consistent results.
Our course, How to Paint Egg Tempera Over Oil, is available at julioreyes.com and has already helped artists around the world to put this technique into practice, painting over oil paintings in pure egg tempera. Sign up for the newsletter at julioreyes.com so you don't miss new courses as they become available, including the comprehensive How to Paint an Egg Tempera course we are currently working on, how to prepare panels for egg tempera, how to prepare ACM panels or aluminum composite material for oil painting, acrylic painting, or egg tempera painting, and more. We cannot wait to share this information with you.